Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your pen on the StarNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and you can find the stylus settings at the left bar. Click that, and here you can select your just go to the, so you can select your pen. Actually I use a Samsung S Pen. Click that, and you can use that like a switch eraser, or you can set different gestures. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.